What is up, guys? Vinny here again with some more tinnitus talk. I got a couple of questions the other day of people asking me what my lifestyle is like dealing with T or tinnitus, and what I do besides being healthy, exercise-wise. So I figured I'd make a little video about it. So as you can tell in the background here, I've got my mountain bike, and I just came back from a 2-hour ride. It was extremely intense. A huge adrenaline junkie, just to tell you, and to say the least. My girlfriend and I, we go snorkeling, we've done some free diving, I go mountain biking, obviously, still skateboarding at 34, everything hurts and whatnot like a normal 34-year-old, but it's a lot of fun. I used to do a lot of car racing. I've been into sport bikes, or Harleys or whatever, motorcycle racing, and just motorcycle riding. Dirt bikes, quads. Geez, what else have I been into? Rock climbing, hiking a lot. Do a significant amount of swimming. But all in all, I'm very active. So I actually just got a comment from a listener and subscriber that says that when he does his jiu-jitsu, it gets worse for a little bit and then it quiets down. But then there's sometimes that he works out and it's not bad and it actually gets better. So I'm actually just really interested in what anybody else thinks. If you guys work out, does it get really bad after? Does it get better after? What kinds of workouts is it that makes it worse? What kinds of workout is it that makes it better? If you just go to the gym to do weight training, does it get better or worse? If you go to the gym or you enjoy running or going on the elliptical, does it make it better or worse? I'm actually really interested in that, because it seems to be very different for everybody. So it's almost like what works for me doesn't work for you, and what works for you doesn't work for me. And I'm just interested to see what the rest of the community has out there and how they're feeling. So all in all, again, real short video. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for tuning in. If you can, please hit the subscribe button. The more people that join my channel, the more videos that I'll make, because I see that people are actually interested. And I can't stress it enough, leave a comment. Hopefully other people just keep talking to each other. I try to answer everybody that I can. I know that it's kind of hard because I do get a lot, especially like personal messages and things like that. But definitely interested in what you guys have going on with your tinnitus, and I wish you all the best. I'll see you guys soon. Later.